So what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna try to do something a little bit different, something I've never done before. I'm gonna do a little vlog where we're gonna build some IKEA things. Hopefully you guys enjoy the vid. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm gonna try to do more things like this, like I said. And yeah, let's start the vid, man. So let's start by doing a little room tour. Feel me? There's my PC. Got my little webcam here. You feel me? Jack Harlow. Yeah, television, mirror. Bad Bunny. If you don't like Bad Bunny, you're weird, bro.
Okay.
And then I got my my shoes. We got Sambas. We got Air Forces, all that shit. With a little I don't know how that shit called. But yeah, man.
So we got this black shelf from IKEA in color like brownish black.
Okay.
Then we got the Vija, I don't know if that's pronounced right, but the lamp, like thin lamp.
Okay, talk to him.
Those are the light bulbs we need, so we need 3 for these. No, actually 6. Then we have the plants. This is our falling plane. And
look how beautiful that shit is with the sun.
So yeah.
Talk to him. Talk to him. Okay.
Yeah. So that's why we're gonna
2
be
plants.
here.
Yeah. So let's start building.
Five minutes later.
Okay. So this is all the pieces. Now speed that shit up. Alright, so this is the final look. Whoosh! Hell yeah, hell yeah. Unboxing. Side shit. So this is the final look. Yo, it looks nice. I might buy something else to put here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it looks nice. Tell me in the comments, what's the word? Oh shoot, the Lego there. Feel me? But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. What you think about the final look. Don't forget to subscribe. It's the end of the video. Say peace.